Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable notification on OnlyFans so you never miss messages, comments or important updates. First, open the OnlyFans app and make sure that you are logged in with that account. If you have not logged in yet, you can log in using the same method you use when signing up. Once you land on the home page, tap on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner where it opens the menu. From the menu, tap on settings. In the settings screen, you will further get different options. From here, look for notification and tap on it. This will take you to the notification settings page. Under the preference section, you will see push notification. Within it, turn the toggle on to start receiving instant alerts on your device. Just below that, you will see email notifications. Within it, turn the toggle on if you want updates sent to your email address. Under the email notification, you will also manage options like subscription and following related to you and your post, monthly letters, and lastly, important subscription notification. Enable or disable this based on what you want to receive. Next, tap on the site notification option. Within it, you will get two categories, related to you and your post and subscription and following. Within the related to you and your post, there is new comment, new likes, new subscriber and new subscription for a trial. And within the subscription and following, there are discounts for users I used to follow, new stream and upcoming stream reminders. Make sure that the boxes you want are checked. And lastly, tap on the toast notification. In order to enable it, you can see the two sections related to you and your post and subscription and following. The option within related to you and your post are same as site notification options, and for the subscription and following there is only new stream available. Please make sure to check the options that you want to receive as pop-up notification while using the site. And that's it. Your notifications are now enabled on OnlyFans, so you can now start receiving updates from comments, like, subscription and stream based on your preference. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.